Someone, some time ago, gave me a 3D Firework LED lamp. It is a 4-watt LED lamp with a special mirror treatment to create, according to the packaging, the perfect loft ambience. So, if you search for novelty lights for your cool interior, be ready to see something spectacular. I am pretty sure some of you have been amazed, but I am far from impressed. The amount of light the light bulb gives for its rated wattage is really weak. And unless you stick your eye against the light bulb and keep spinning it, you're definitely not gonna be overwhelmed by the 3D firework effect. In summary, to me, in its current state, this 3D firework LED lamp is pretty useless. But, rather than tossing it in a cupboard and forgetting about it or sending it to the landfill, let's convert this crappy novelty light into something useful, with just a bit of clever re-engineering.